In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw straight lines in PowerPoint using a handy keyboard shortcut. PowerPoint is an incredibly versatile tool, often used for creating compelling presentations, and knowing how to draw perfectly straight lines can really elevate the look and professionalism of your slides. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll need to open PowerPoint on your computer. If you haven't already, simply locate the PowerPoint icon on your desktop or search for it in your Start menu. Click to open the application and you should see the familiar PowerPoint interface load up. Once you're in PowerPoint, navigate to the specific presentation you want to work on. You might already have it open, or you can go ahead and open a saved file from your recent documents. Either way, make sure you've selected the slide where you want to add the straight line. Now we're going to head over to the top of your screen and click on the Insert tab in the ribbon. This moves us from the default Home tab to a whole array of options specifically for adding content to your slide. Within the Insert menu, you'll see a variety of icons and tools at your disposal. Look for the Shapes tool, which is typically represented with a symbol that includes a variety of basic shapes like rectangles and circles. Go ahead and click on Shapes. After clicking Shapes, a drop-down menu will appear, displaying a selection of shapes you can insert into your slide. For today's task, we are focusing on the Lines section. Simply click on the basic straight line option. It might seem straightforward, but there's a little trick that makes this process even better. Here comes the key step. Once you've selected the line tool, click and hold the Shift key on your keyboard. As you press and hold the Shift key, click where you'd like the line to start on your slide, then drag your mouse to where you want it to end. Holding the Shift key while doing this is crucial because it ensures the line stays perfectly straight, whether it's horizontal, vertical, or at a precise 45-degree angle. Releasing the mouse button and then the Shift key will now leave you with a perfectly straight line on your slide. This technique is so useful because it helps maintain precision and symmetry in your presentation design, giving your slides a clean and professional look. There you have it. You now know how to create straight lines in PowerPoint with the aid of a simple keyboard shortcut. This method not only saves you time but also enhances the visual appeal of your presentations. Practice a few times and soon it will become second nature. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tips on making your presentations stand out.